In this project I will be showing my ability to animate, light, motion track and texture a product in Blender. I believe this is important to show the power of the free software, which is excellent at producing marketing materials. Starting by texturing using the shading tab in Blender, starting with an image texture and adding random patterns of roughness. This is used on the base plane. Even though it's not visible in the video, the metal surface reflects it, adding realism. To animate the gimbal, I found the quickest and easiest way, similar to SolidWorks, is to parent parts together so that they move in unison, similar to SolidWorks' mate system. In this second render, I wanted to show off the details of the model by focusing on key points and demonstrating some functionality by activating the buttons. Motion tracking a shot in Blender can be done automatically, but it has to be cleaned up as some tracking points may slip. I find the best solve error is below 2 pixels to get really smooth camera tracking. Once your scene is tracked, all you have to do is establish a ground plane by selecting 3 points on the ground and then add a camera and it will track in line with your footage. Finally, lighting the scene. As I didn't take the footage, I didn't have an accurate HDRI, so I used one of Blender's sky models, which can be adjusted through the shaders tab. Here is the final result.